name is Dr. Laura P. I'm a chiropractic physician at Absolute Healthcare, Advanced Chiropractic in Port St. Lucie, Florida. Today I'm bringing you a demonstration video using the foam roller to work out the TFL muscle, the tensor fasciae latae. Not a muscle many of us have often heard of, if at all, but once you start working it out, you will be very familiar with it. It tends to be very tight. It's on the anterior lateral part of our hip. It's kind of right in this angle. It's not the glutes. I do have foam rolling videos for your buttocks, the glute muscles, as well as the hamstring, calves, and the quadriceps. But today we're focusing on a very small area in the hips. Again, it tends to be very tight. It can be difficult to stretch. So the foam roller really helps loosens up the adhesions in the muscle and soft tissue in the area. If you tend to have low back pain with super tight hips, this will be very useful. Now, your foam roller can be the longer version as well. It doesn't matter if you have half the size or a long one. You just want to make sure you're on a stable surface. I am using a yoga mat on the tile floor. I do have a couple assistants with me. This is my dog Kona, and my cat Luna may be in the frame as well. So this one is a little bit awkward to get into. Again, there's nothing graceful about foam rolling, so just bear with yourself. This one we do start laying face down. So what I'm going to do is turn to my side so that you can see, and I'm going to start with my right TFL, which again is not quite in the front of your hip, nor is it in the back. It's kind of this nice triangle right at kind of the front side, this little angle. So I'm going to put the foam roller down. I always want to make sure I have at least one hand on a stable surface. Here it's going to be the ground. So I am going to lay down and position the foam roller right around my hips, right at the waist. And I'm going to angle a little bit to the right. Again, trying to get this little area at the angle of the hip right there. I'm going to roll a little bit and then just using my feet, push my body over the foam roller, moving it back and forth to loosen up the muscle and tissues. It's a very small movement because this muscle is small. If I want to switch sides, I'm going to slide it over, position my left hips onto the roller. This one is significantly tighter. And again, I'm pointed my toes and I'm pushing my leg back and forth over the roller using my toes. So again, it's kind of the front side of the hip. Again, it's called the TFL. If you wanted to look up a picture online, the tensor fasciae latae. This one is quite sticky. I'm kind of moving my pelvis back and forth to release this one a little bit more. When you're done, you can put your knees down and return to a seated position, making sure the roller is out of your way so you don't accidentally roll it with your wrist and slip. If you do like the videos, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you so much.